Now, once we've got our scene that we want to edit, what we need to do then is to use AI to automatically create movement within that first scene. So we're going to use Picker Labs because, well, it's free, and the whole point of this tutorial is to try and teach you how to do it as free as possible. As you can see, some of the results from the page is pretty cool. So you just go to join Picker, and basically it will bring you to this dialog box where you can join, and it's another Discord server, and it's basically this little cute fox thing. What you want to do is go to citations and one of these generate. So I'm just picking random one. Again, you can sort of go through backwards to look at some of the types of images and scenes that people have done. And the way that we do it here is we click on the plus and you basically go create. It's a create prompt, so it's a little bit different. And what you can do is basically just put in basically the same prompts that you used to generate your image before. So we can just go here and we can just copy that, put that in there. But we're going to take out the parameters. So you don't need to put in the parameters with this particular one, and I've put in what I want to change. Okay, once you've done this, you basically want to click on the +1, and that will basically allow you to upload the image that you generated in AI that we're based on. So here, make sure that you have, if you're going to use Playground, make sure that you download this. Once you've downloaded it, then upload it to Picker. And then let's see what happens. Okay, so what we do here is we've got notifications on here. So we click on notifications, we go to mentions, and we can sort of see that it's generated something. So we can just go there like that and sort of see what it's come out with. Okay, that's pretty good, right? People are moving, it's been animated, perfect. Okay, so what we can do, of course, is regenerate it and sort of see what else it comes up with, and then pick maybe the best of 3 or 4, for example. Okay, so it's generated another one here, so let's have a look at that. I really like that. The car's moving, people are moving. There's that weird sort of thing going on there, which I don't mind because I think it sort of adds to the weird aesthetic of this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to download this, and that's going to be the first scene in here. And what I will then do is generate the second scene, which of course will have a person in it. So you can follow along with the next few videos where I'm going to do the similar type of process, but it's basically going to be generating a picture of a person as well in the scene.